Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to the second stream today, day 14, where I'm trying to animate water droplets falling into a cup in Android OpenGL. Now, what is happening is, so we were trying to send across the connected data structure, right? As in, we're trying to make sure that the water is, we get the connected data across, right? So, with respect to that, uh, what were the discoveries that were made, right? Uh, once I was offline. One is RGB values are one is in case of bitmap ARGB values are packed 8 bits, 8 bit, 8, 8 bit and 8 bit. This is one thing. Second is this is perfect in case of this is good in case of -1, which we take as the value for things that are totally outside our control. No, for the places where there is no water in connected data structure, because it is F, because the 2's complement of this is basically 1, which is -1. So yeah, in that, it's not FFFF, it's FFFF and FFFF. Yeah, 8 F's basically. But yeah, you get the point, right? Yeah. So two's complement is uh, -1 in that case, which is great. Now, so these two things were validated actually. Now, what I'm trying to do is I am actually trying to pass across the value. How am I doing that? I'm passing across the value by uh, in case of doing load connected data as texture, right? This is one thing I had to do, load connected data as texture. Yeah, while doing that, I just made sure that I created a bitmap with width and height. And configured it. And I just copied the data from the int array and I just passed it across. Now this should have all been fine if in this particular set of code, if I did get connected data from texture, which is here, and I got the value as 255, right? In for many cases, right? Because it is -1 in many cases. But this is not working. This is working the same as previous, as in the connected data is some different value. I'm not able to understand what connected data is currently in. Yeah. So that is that. I can maybe validate the values that are present in the bitmap. That is one thing I can try. To see what are we are getting here. Am I getting all values as black? While visualizing, I'm getting everything as black. I'm not sure why. While trying to visualize it, I'm getting everything as black. And this is not helping. Uh, yeah, I know this is again getting stuck, but I have to remember my own sayings that this should be more enjoyable and this should be more doable. It should be more enjoyable. Doable is, I don't know, should be doable. I'm not sure how to move forward with this. Really, I'm not sure how to. What I can try and do is get the bitmap value once. Get the bitmap value once. Check. So these were the next steps as per me. Change pixel values in bitmap and send. Check for water and render. And recreate the values and check. Now get the bitmap value once and check. I think this has to be done to make sure that the first step is being done correctly. There's no other way, I guess. I can just print the value in the bitmap. One is 100, it should be -1. And one is maybe 507, 432. Right? 507, 432 for the water droplet one, and one is 100. Let's try getting this and check. We'll just log it. I think the width and height again we have to check, I guess. with this correct only. Oh, 490, 500, 432. I think it needs to be divided by 2. 500, 432 means 2. These are not changing. Also, in all cases, it had to be -1, I guess. It cannot have been to whatever the big number it is coming. It had to be -1 because it was set as -1. So I'm not sure why the value is coming as some big number. So again, stuck, I guess. This is what is happening now. Getting stuck again and again. So I just wanted to say that I'm again stuck, not sure how to move forward. The values packing, I'm kind of sure how it is being done now. I mean, the values, how it is getting packed. But I'm not sure how to make use of this currently because I'm again getting some sort of an error. Uh, and there are a lot of steps to be followed as well to reach the next step. So, I mean, yeah. So this is the current status. I'll try and debug what is happening currently. Try and get what are the cases that needs to be handled, and then move forward after that. Yeah, see you after some time. I'm stuck again, and this is again feeling terrible. I have to enjoy the process. I have to give all my energy to it, but yeah. So in some time, I think hopefully today I will be able to resolve all this and see you. Yeah, bye bye bye.